This video explains how to install Fit Web Theme Salon Edition. After you've signed up for hosting and logged into WordPress, you'll be on this screen, the dashboard. Head on down to Appearance and click Themes. Head to the top and click Upload, and then click Upload Theme. In the box below, click Choose File. Select Fit-salon-theme.zip. You can download this file by clicking the link in the description of this video. Upload the entire file. Now click Install Now. This will take a minute. Once finished, click Activate. Your theme is now installed and activated. In the next video, we'll show you how to customize it for your own business.